Hello doctors, good evening. In this session, we will discuss the presentation of a case. It is important both in clinical as well as in examination point of view also. As we have to attempt this case sheet in our practical examinations, we have to know how to present it in a good manner. Okay, now first case we will discuss here is Gridhrasi. First of all, the heading we have to fill is Aturanama. Aturanama is the age of the patient. Linga means the gender. Vayaha means the age. Nivasasthana means locality. Vyadhi Vinischaya means what is the diagnosis of the disease. Pravesha Dinanka is the date of admission. Nigama Dinanka is the date of discharge. Okay, these were the headings. Basic information of the patient is completed by this. Next, Aturanama. In this we have to fill whatever may be the name of the patient. Some X you can write. Linga. What is the gender of the patient? Whether he or she is male or female, you have to fill here. Vayaha. What is the age of the patient? 50, 60 or else whatever may be. According to the disease, we have to fill it here. Nivasasthana. According to the person, we have to fill the age. Nivasasthana. What is the locality? Vyadhi Vinischaya. What is the diagnosis? This we have to fill after completing the entire case sheet. After questioning the entire questions to the patient. Pravesha Dinanka, date of admission, and Nigama Dinanka is the date of discharge. Okay. Now, coming to the Prashna Pariksha. Pradhana Vedana is the chief complaints. Here in Gridhrasi, what will be the chief complaint? Patient complains of pain in the lower back region which is radiating to the posterior aspect of a right leg. This is the symptom which the patient have gone through. Patient complains of pain in the lower back region radiating to the posterior aspect of the right leg. Okay, this is the Pradhana Vedana. Duration also we can add here. Since 2 months, since 3 months, since 8 months. Like that we can mention here in this Pradhana Vedana. Okay, next. Anubandha Vedana. Patient complains of he is unable to walk properly due to pain since 30 days. Okay, what is the Anubandha Vedana? He is unable to walk properly due to the pain since 30 days. History of present illness is under the heading of Vartamana Roga Vrittanta. Okay, patient was apparently normal since the duration. What we have write since 4 months back, since 3 months back, whatever he said, we have to write it here. And he or she develops pain in the lower back region which is radiating towards his or her right leg. And he consulted a doctor and used certain medications and got a relief for some certain days. Later on, the pain recurred. Recurrence of the pain is seen and now she is unable to do his own works. So, she came to our hospital for the better treatment. This we have to write in this Vartamana Roga Vrittanta. Next, coming to Purva Roga Vrittanta. History of past illness. Is there any hypertension, diabetes? Like that we have to fill it here. No history of hypertension and diabetic mellitus. Okay, if it's present, we have to fill it there. Family history. Is there any specific family history? We have to mention it here. In general, nothing will be seen in the case of Gridhrasi. So, we can write in the Kautumbika Vrittanta, nothing specific. If she is a female, we have to add the gynecological history. What is the menarche period? What is the menopause period? Her obstetric history must be written if the patient is a female. Next, Vyaktika Vrittanta. Means this is the general examination of the patient which we personal history of the patient. Appetite, digestion, micturition all will be normal but the sleep will be abnormal due to the pain. So we have to highlight the sleep here in this personal history. Next, general examination must be noted like BP, pulse rate, heart rate, weight and height must be noted down in the case of general examination which is written after Vyaktika Vrittantam. Usually it will be normal. BP will be 130/80, pulse rate will be 70 5 or 78. Respiratory rate is 18 or 20 minutes. Weight is 40 kgs. Height will be usually 5 to 6 feet like that. Okay. Next, after this, systemic examination must be done. Respiratory system, CVS, CNS. Later on, musculoskeletal system. This musculoskeletal system plays a major role in the Gridresi. SLRT test will be positive at certain angle. Here we can consider at 40 degrees. Next, investigations. What were the investigations? We will go through here. Hemoglobin, ESR, blood urea and all will come under the investigations. Now coming to Ashtavida Pariksha, all will be normal except the Drik. Drik will be Vikriti due to limping gait. Okay. Next, Dashavida Pariksha. Dashavida Pariksha also everything will be normal. Later on, Roga Pariksha, Nidana, Purva Rupa, Rupa, Upashaya, Samprapti. These all must be filled by us. Nidana means as she complains of pain in the back region, we can write the Nidana as the patient undergone work with sitting position in a long duration, and Purva Rupa may be the pain, Rupa may be the radiating pain due to radiating pain from back region to the right leg. Next, Upashaya means she gets relief in supine position while sleeping. Samprapti means due to Nidana Sevana, dosha vitiation, especially Vata is seen as Gridresi mainly is due to Vata. Later on, Pitta and Kapha will get vitiated and Purva Rupa manifested leads to Gridresi. Vyadhi Vinischaya is, by completing all these investigations, we considered it as Gridresi. Chikitsa Prakarana, it means what is the treatment we advise it to the patient must be written here. In general, as Gridresi is accompanied with the pain, we will administer Rasnadi Gugulu 2 times, 2 tablets twice a day. Later on, Hingvashtaka Churnam thrice a day. We will administer him. Next, while coming to the Chikitsa Sutra, as it is Asti Vikara, Asti Ashrayanam Vyadinam Panchakarmani Beshajam. We have already said this in Asti Vikara. Asti Ashrayanam Vyadinam Panchakarmani Beshajam. For a diseases located in Asti, Panchakarma is the best treatment. We have to highlight this. Basteha Kshira Sarpistikta Kopa Hitam. Basteha Kshira Sarpischa Tikta Kopa Hitam Cha. Means Basti, Kshira Vasti, Sarpi and Tikta Rasa Dravyas Vasti is administered in this Gridresi. Next, this is the Chikitsa Sutra followed in the case of Gridresi. Okay. Giving Snehana, Abhyanga, Sarvanga Abhyanga, Katibasti with Dhanvantari Taila. All these were the specific treatments advised in the Gridresi. Katibasti with Dhanvantari Taila, Sarvanga Abhyanga and later on physiotherapy. While coming to Panchakarma, if we are going to write the Panchakarma case sheet, we have to highlight the Basti, Katibasti with Dhanvantari Taila and Sarvanga Abhyanga, Bashpa Sweda is advised to the patient. Those points will be highlighted in the case of Gridresi case sheet. Okay. Thank you. In further videos, we will discuss more and more cases.